Dear blockchainers, crypto trader and community, welcome to this weekly market overview and market update provided by Teroxx. And this is what we will talk about today. First of all, we will take a look on the market capitalization. Then we will move over to the market performance of the top 10 coins or token. And then we will have a short analysis of BTC and Ethereum, a winner and a loser. Then we will talk about the gem or a good project. And last but not least, I will show you what we did to achieve our goals and our updates by Teroxx. Now take us a look on the market capitalization of the last 7 days. So last week we started around 135 billion USDT and now we are around 140 billion USDT. This is a spike of around 4% plus, and this showed us that the bulls having the upper hand right now and that the market is increasing. This can we also see if we're taking a look at the top 10 coins. If we see the 7-day chart, all the top 10 coins or tokens are in the green. So all of these coins or tokens, they had a spike up in the USDT price. Just the Binance coin was not able to do so, and Tether was like always, it's a stable coin, no movement. So over here we can see that this week was quite good, quite fair, and there are some good opportunities. But now let's talk about the short analysis of BTC. Now what we can see over here in the BTC daily chart, first of all is that we have the RSI in a good territory around 57 to 64. That means that the bulls are having the upper hand, the market has good conditions and we are in a positive territory. And now all in all we can see in this week the market managed to work between 3,950 and $4,100. What we can see over here is that we expecting a spike up to maybe the resistance line at 4,279, where you can easily sell, first sell target, and we have these lower price resistance levels down here at 3,200 and the yearly low at 3,169. So all in all, we see that the BTC is nicely following the upwards trend after it break out, and yeah, so all in all this is a very positive sign. Keep your eye on BTC when it comes to good trade opportunities, when it comes to good entry or selling points. Now let us take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is quite interesting. Again, we can see the RSI, it was playing the last days between 57 and 49. Even this is a good range. Even this shows us that the market is quite okay, but of course it's kind of neutral. So over here we will expect a strong move to whether the one hand or the other hand side, and we can see over here if it fails to hold these good levels right now around 140 to 130, we can easily go down again to 110 to 105, or having the lows at around $80, or we will see a spike up to 160 levels, and after this, how you can see, there will be no resistance until 220 levels. So keep an eye on Ethereum as well. It's a little risky. If you can manage to do good entry points, maybe when it comes down to the trend line or to resistance, it can give you good profit within some days or some weeks. Now let us talk about the winner of this week and the losers of this week. And the winner were definitely Bitcoin Cash and Cardano, while there again was no real loser. But when I have to say one loser, it will be definitely Binance Coin. So now let us take a look on Bitcoin Cash and Cardano first. Over here on Bitcoin Cash, we can see that at the levels right now, we see that there is a spike of nearly 100% plus in the last 90 days. As it bottom out, you have made 100% gain within 3 months. And if you just take a look on the last week, even on the last week, we managed to have 19% plus to this live moment, and this is definitely a huge spike. It followed some. Now let's talk about Cardano or ADA, the other winner of this week. Again, over here we can see if you invested like in December, mid of December in the bottom, again over here you can make an easy 80% plus within 3 months. Or when we see just this last week, we can see to this live moment there are also like 10% plus, and to the top it were around 15 or 16%. So all in all, over here you can see that the market gaining strength again. So over here you can see that the market is good again to invest. The market again is good to give you good profit if you invest to the right time. So always play safe, keep safe. But these were two gems of this week. Now let's talk about the loser of this week. After you saw last week that BNB gives you great profits in March, as well as in February, as well as in January, you can see that this played out very well, and this loser is just a small loser again, because after the Teller network distribution took place, how I said, the people sold, BNB lost around 6% this week. But if you invested long term, or when you invested like 2 or 3 months ago, this is definitely nothing to worry about. You just can be safe. Binance will release other good projects and other good stuff soon. So there is space to grow again for BNB right now. Now let's talk about a gem, and I think in the last videos I told about this Binance Launchpad. So basically, if you don't know anything about this Binance Launchpad, go to launchpad.binance.com. There you can find all the successful distribution of tokens and projects. And what I wanted to tell you is that the sealer network that took place, you can't buy anymore. It was the amount of sealers sold. You can see the number of people took place, and this was sold out in 17 minutes. What I want to say with it is that there is a lot of people interested in the market again to invest and to support good projects. And I think if Binance is launching a project, you can be sure that they have intense meetings, they have done an X-ray with this project, and so all in all you can really be sure that this is good stuff, and there you can have good information to get into the market and to have some easy key features, the economics and the allocation of the tokens. So basically it's very transparent. Just take a look, launchpad.binance.com, and you will easily find everything you need to know. Last but not least, let's talk about what we as Teroxx did last or this week. So all in all, how I told you, we always posting some trades, some good trades I will talk about in another video soon. But of course, this is not everything we're doing. We're not just trading, because right now we released, or we have prototype of our wallet ready, and we'll launch it soon. So basically, very, very soon you can easily have access and all the benefits of Teroxx via your smartphone. This is some example pictures you can see here. So if you're interested, looking forward to you downloading our app, help us grow, and this will change the whole workflow and will be a nice benefit for everyone who's interested in Teroxx. All in all, I hope you like these videos. I would love to see a comment, give us a like, follow this channel, follow us on social media, so that you will not miss any updates provided by us. And have a good day, have a great week, have great earnings, play safe, stay humble, and we will see us next time when it comes to market performance provided by Teroxx.